Picture this: you're in your Johannesburg branch, handling client accounts, when a subtle comment rooted in outdated cultural norms leaves you uneasy. In South Africa's vibrant banking sector, gender-based violence impacts our daily work. It affects productivity, ESG compliance, and the National Strategic Plan on Gender-Based Violence Femicide. Today we introduce GBV in our banking workplaces and rich cultural contexts, where Ubuntu guides us from Zulu to Xhosa, Basotho to Indian, English to Afrikaans traditions, all under one rainbow. As finance staff, we meet the fourth iteration of King, employment equity, and the code of good practice on harassment. Gender-based violence can appear in hybrid or remote settings, affecting disclosures and team focus. Our cultures offer strengths like the protective Zulu warrior spirit and Basotho community values, yet we challenge harmful norms professionally. This matters for every role: tellers, analysts, managers, and across our diverse teams. We often link GBV awareness to financial inclusion and client service excellence. Recognizing it early supports the Domestic Violence Act and boosts overall team and business performance. In corporate banking, it is our team effort to build safer spaces for all cultural backgrounds. Together we prevent ripple effects on productivity and compliance, and make every day better than the last. You already contribute through respectful daily interactions.
Thanks for the backup in there. I appreciate it.
Of course, we're a team.
It means a lot.
Anytime. Let's keep pushing forward.
This video lays the foundation for the entire GBV learning program. We celebrate positives while addressing what needs change. Even in remote or hybrid work, your awareness makes a difference. Let us celebrate that you are part of a stronger, more inclusive financial sector today. Many people believe GBV stays outside banking walls. By recognizing GBV early, I empower myself and my colleagues. This cognitive shift, grounded in our Ubuntu values, builds real resilience. You now hold a practical tool for your daily work life. Take action today, review your GBV policy and notice the signs. Support a colleague, report safely, and act as a positive bystander. Your steps strengthen productivity, compliance, and our communities. Thank you for joining me in this foundation video. In our very next video, Module 1, Video 2, we'll clearly define gender-based violence and the related concepts that matter most in our corporate banking world and South Africa's rich multicultural context. You'll walk away with practical definitions, workplace examples, and simple tools you can use straight away to recognize GBV early and respond with confidence. See you there. Keep leading with care.